Welcome back to Tech Marvel channel. So in this video I will show you how to make a PPT in a quick time. So first of all, you need to come to the ChatGPT and write whatever you want it to be in your content. It's just to make the refining of your content. Once it is done, then you just ask to rewrite this into your business proposal. So it shows you all the content here, a refining of and filtering all the unnecessary things and which need to be enhance your content. The ChatGPT will be make this one. Once it is done, then just go to your Word file. So you put this all the steps and all. So here most of the steps it comes to your business acquisition, company overview, and global event, founder background, and the why should acquire your companies and revenue summaries. These are the 5 points is important as for the business proposal, and this you can also use it for any kind of a your school PPT or any of the business PPT. These things you can use it. Once this all things is done, then just go to the Google and type the gamma. So if you type the gamma here, the first one it shows you in this instance presentation. Just go to this file. So I'm already created one file here. Just go to the create new and take this middle one and then just put this all the contents here. Once it is done this content, then it will create all the files from here. So I just take it again, control, then I'll come back to this, generate outline for this, and just hit the generate. So it gives you the rough estimation how what all things is it can be activated on that content. So it will start writing onto this. As you can see, it shows everything onto this places, what all things are there, how it can be done, and what all the opportunities will be there here. It shows onto this all the content. You believe it or not, it is done from the ChatGPT and AI system. This Gamma website, the gamma.app, is a very good website which you can create any kind of the content into your presentations. So this is now it has been done now. So I just will be download this file from here, share, and then export, and just choose whichever you want. I'll take the export PowerPoint. So it will be downloaded in your download folder. So once it is done, you can open that. I'm already have downloaded one of the previous file. You can see how it is made on this here. So it shows everything. Okay, so from here you can do it very quickly and easy. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and share it to others who want to be save the time to make the PPT. And one more point I just want to add it onto this. You can even make the addition onto this. You can add it and subscribe the files here, and also you can put your own words onto this. So as of now it has given some 8 files. You can create up to 20 to 25 files by using this all the system. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned at Tech Marvel channel.